Hey, gadget lovers. Many people these days are missing out on the future of wearable tech without even realizing it. Upgrading from your standard glasses or earbuds to a pair of smart glasses will transform your daily routine in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best smart glasses go far beyond simple vision correction or music playback. They're personal assistants, translators, cameras, and style statements all built into one sleek frame. We've scoured Amazon to find the top 5 options that deliver the most value, innovation, and style. And remember, for the latest discounts on all the products we talk about, make sure to use our links in the description below. They'll take you straight to the best deals available right now. Let's get into it. Starting us off at number 5, from the Tulbeys store, we have a fantastic entry point into the world of smart glasses. These are the GS07 smart glasses with the clear frame and white legs. Priced under $20, this pair is all about delivering core smart features without breaking the bank. You get photochromic lenses that automatically adjust from clear indoors to a darker UV protective tint outdoors, giving your eyes protection wherever you are. They feature open-ear audio for music and hands-free calls, connect via the latest Bluetooth 5.4 for a stable connection, and offer a decent battery life of about 4 to 5 hours of use. For anyone curious about smart glasses and wanting to try the basic functions of audio playback, calls, and adaptive lenses at an incredibly accessible price, this is a perfect low-risk starting point. It proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a taste of this technology. Moving up to number 4, we step into the realm of AI-powered assistants with the Giwbeiv AI smart glasses. These glasses are a game-changer for travelers, students, or anyone who interacts with different languages. Their headline feature is real-time translation for a staggering 164 languages, powered by ChatGPT. Whether you're having a face-to-face conversation, on a video call, or need to translate text from a photo, these glasses aim to break down language barriers instantly. They also come with physically changing photochromic lenses for light adaptation, offer immersive 3D surround sound for music, and boast a robust dual battery system for all-day use. Weighing only 33 grams and featuring Bluetooth 5.3, they combine significant smart functionality with a lightweight, waterproof design suitable for active use. If translation and AI assistance are your top priorities, these glasses offer a specialized tool that feels like something from the future. Hitting the number 3 spot, we have the OHO Smart Glasses. These glasses stand out for their straightforward, user-friendly approach focused on outdoor activity and audio. They function as a solid pair of polarized UV protective sunglasses first, with the added benefit of a built-in open-ear Bluetooth speaker and microphone. You can listen to music, take calls, and use voice commands to activate Siri or Google Assistant without ever blocking your ears to ambient sound, crucial for safety while running, cycling, or just staying aware of your surroundings. They promise an impressive battery life of up to 10 hours for playback and feature physical volume and track controls on the frame for easy adjustment. With a classic unisex sunglasses design and a focus on durability, the OHO glasses are perfect for the fitness enthusiast or anyone who wants a simple, effective audio sunglasses hybrid without extra fuss. Now, for our number 2 pick, we're looking at a major step up in capability with the NILUTO upgraded AI smart glasses. This is for the content creator and the tech power user. The key feature here is the built-in 8-megapixel camera capable of recording 1080p video with audio, allowing for completely hands-free vlogging, recording tutorials, or capturing life's moments from a unique first-person perspective. But it doesn't stop there. Like our number 4 pick, these also offer AI real-time translation across 27 languages, and feature a voice-activated smart assistant. They come with a versatile package including 2 sets of interchangeable lenses, one for anti-blue light and one for UV protection. With a large 250 mAh battery offering extended recording and playback time, these glasses are a compact, wearable multimedia studio. If your goal is to capture what you see and interact with AI and translation on the go, the NILUTO glasses offer a powerful all-in-one creative tool. And finally, claiming our number 1 spot, we have the iconic Ray-Ban Meta glasses in their renewed or refurbished version. This is the premier blend of high-fashion, trusted brand quality and cutting-edge meta technology. You're getting the timeless style and lens quality of Ray-Ban, now integrated with Meta's advanced features. Capture high-quality photos and videos hands-free, live stream your point of view, or make video calls to share your perspective. The discreet open-ear audio delivers rich sound while letting you stay connected to your environment. You can use the Meta AI assistant to take a photo, get information, or create captions just by asking. Available with prescription compatibility, polarized lenses, and transitions technology, these are designed to be your everyday glasses. The renewed option provides a significant discount, making this premium experience more accessible. For the ultimate combination of best-in-class style, reputable build quality, and seamless feature-rich smart integration, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses are the current leaders in the category.